Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you all. My name is ARZELINO HANGGANA ALTY. I'm from class 12D and my material for this video is give you guys step by step how to make a games. So, I think in today's modern era, almost everyone has played games, right? But not everyone knows the step how to make a game. So, in this video, I will share the step to make a game so that friends here can know the process of making a game and are interested in learning coding and making games. But before we get into the step-by-step how to make a game, I want to give you guys the game definition or the general definition about the games. So, game is an activity that involves rules, objective, and interactive elements designed primarily for entertainment or educational purposes. Games can come in various forms, from board games and card games to video games and sport. They often involve competition or cooperation, and they can be played individually or with others. And this is the first step of making a game, is conducting research. In this first step, the thing that needs to be done is to conduct game research. This game research aims to determine what type of genre of game will be created, then determine what features are needed in the game to be created. Step 2 is a creating game design document. In the second step, what is done is to create a game design that aims to determine the programming language that will be used to create a game, determine the framework that will be used to create a game, determine the duration of the game creation process, determine the gameplay of the game, create a game mechanics while running, create a game flow, determine what characters are needed in the game, create a game obstacles, and determine the fun and technical aspect when the game is played. Step 3 is a game development process. In this third step, the following things need to be done. First is make a flowchart. Making flowcharts aims to make it easier to make a to-do list and make it easier when working on making a game because the flowchart already contains the sequences or flow of making the game from start to finish. Second is making a to-do list. Making a to-do list is taken from the flowchart that was made earlier. For this to-do list, it contains the main parts of the game development process flow. When making a to-do list, add the length of time to work on each stage so that you can complete the game on time. For example, if you are making the main display of the game, you can make a to-do list for the main display. Third is a game asset collection. In this game asset collection, game image asset just like game characters, game backgrounds, game titles, game obstacles, and game sound asset just like a main music, sound effect, game over music are collected. Fourth is a game development. In the game development process, game creation coding is started. Friends can code according to the programming language that friends have mastered or that has been determined and start working according to the order the to-do list that has been made, so that it helps to focus on completing one by one the existing to-do list stage and can complete the game on time. This is step 4, is a game testing. In this step, test the game so that you can find out whether the game that has been made has bugs or not. If there are bugs, fix the bugs. This process usually takes long times. Make sure friends finish making the game on time or according to a to-do list that friends have made, so that when testing the game, friends still have enough time to fix existing bugs. Step 5 is a game publication. After all the steps of creation are complete, there is a final step, namely game publication. In this step, friends can publish the game made by friends. This publication aims to make the games that have been made by friends can be played by many people. Friends can also choose when the game is published later, and friends games can be played for free by others or must be played to be able to play the game. For publication, friends can do it in several ways. register the game on the Google Play Store or Apple App Store if the game made is a mobile games, or create a website so that people can download the game through the website. I think making games is fun, especially if you succeed in making games from the beginning until the game is finished. Friends will definitely get pleasure and satisfaction if you succeed in making a game made by your own. However, making games is not an easy thing. Making games also provides new challenge for friends. If friends are interested in learning coding and making games, then this challenge is worth trying and facing. I think that is enough for my video. If there's any problem, I apologize previously to y'all. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.